Hi creepy creatures, I'm Tabby and welcome to my coven. Usually I whisper that part, but I forgot to actually film an intro in person, so I'm just doing some voiceover. This is just a super quick makeup video, just a speed makeup because trying to get back into making content, and I've already got my my foundation base on and I'm just trying to remember how to do eyebrows at this point. But yeah, just super speedy and pretty basic makeup look, but yeah, it's been a while since I've actually put makeup on, so I just thought I would film this. I'll list what I'm using in the description below, but I use the same stuff all the time. I haven't actually bought any new makeup products in a really long time, so if you've watched any of my old makeup videos, it's pretty much the exact same thing. There's not really much to talk about, so I'll just let the music play. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.